everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and want to see more crafty related videos, makeup and such, I think my channel is everywhere. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So today has been a hot mess Monday. I look like a hot mess and I am pretty sure I have glitter in my eyeball. I'm working on helping my daughter with her Valentine's Day box, and it involved a lot of pink glitter. And if you've been here a while, you know I cannot stand glitter, but you gotta do what you gotta do for your babies. So let's go ahead and get into this video of what this is about. This would have originally been the process for Kiesha's card kit in January. I have had a very busy weekend and so forth. I don't think we were even home at all this weekend. We were at my friend's house Saturday, and then a Super Bowl party Sunday, and just craziness, and it's freezing cold here. So like I said, it was supposed to be the process video for Kiesha's card kit. Well, what I did was something new that I haven't done with the card kit, and I had time while the kids were still awake to do it. I've been trying to get to bed fairly early so I can get up and work out in the mornings. So I ended up making this while the kids were still awake and the husband was awake and stuff like that. So I didn't do a process video, but I do have the end result for you guys to show you what I did. So what I did was I ended up folding in half and making it into like a mini journal type ordeal. So right here it is. This is what the front looks like. I made a charm with the leaf using some extra beads that I have, kind of like a bookmark type thing that dangles off. This is the front. I'll hold it close. Please excuse my disgusting fingers. They are healing from my nails, and then they all broke, and it's just been bad. So that's what it looks like on the front. If you did not see the supplies, go ahead and go back to the Kiesha card kit, the Kiesha's January card kit opening, so you can see what was all in there. I added a few extra stuff, as in like I did on the inside. So I used some Velcro to keep it shut. Let me see if I can get it opened up here. There we go. So I just layered up a bunch of stuff on the front. Here's the inside with some paper and some of the lace. I used all the lace on this. I made like a little tuck spot in the middle and so forth. And of course you could use this in the back to tuck some stuff into. But that is it. It seems pretty simple, but it did take me a while to do it. I stained the gauze, or what is that called, cheesecloth, whatever it was, with some inks and sprays, and I had fun with it. Took my time, chatted with the family and whatnot while I did it. So that is it. Super short video. My next video will be what I have so far for the giveaway. If you do not know what the giveaway is, it's back a couple of videos. It has to do with the makeup. Super easy to enter. You just have to spend $50 on my shop link, and then you will be entered into the giveaway. I have one person so far who is entered, and I'm just hoping that more do enter. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I'm gonna get off here and get that video recorded of what all is going to be in the giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.